bon comedy more dang. Uncle, good morning.
Who should put them at this? Yodo.
Bibi awoko.
Adwuma Adwuma.
Ide radiasi ye da se to yen safre wo waba. Na na kwa me pacho me chia opa. Ida se to yen safre wo waba.
Philly.
Uncle.
What's up?
I'm Michelle one side.
Onua FM 95.1.
I'm here before Super. Hey, I know the Messiah stars. Hey, no better picture. Why? Now I'm printing the baby.
Abo there.
Me WOHO nam da to.
Finally, me tumi ahia o. It's an Anna.
Me myself now make na what?
There be say obi ani dey the star.
Yes, yeah.
But how are things so far?
So far, I mean, she doesn't house. Anyhow.
Bibi ayo boko.
I'm my sorry, but bibi edi. Until me okay.
You okay? Enua ni be here. So be sorry.
Na we didi.
Na we didi. Na we tumi a movie. Ade ankofo.
Ade chi ambesenga bibi.
Obesi yes. Ade ankofo underrated ba kono no. Kofo ehun ni say wa sorry no pa wunya bibi andi ye che say nyame amboa. But waking up no.
Onua FM 95.1.
You fan tra.
Oh, say I na mo nta nko mochire. I am nko mochire no mo say u fan tra sa na webre.
Obebre. Because the man kitikiti bo ehun ni say o enye hwe o ma sorry matumi ahome enye hwe nyaka na hia. No.
I to mo for what?
Say na make say that be am family busu epanyi wo me fie because say the madwi musu da ho no. Ana me akwa mo.
Ai mo anga so mehu. Ana
e say be omunya hwe ehun. Ntimi ame ya advert
ana. Makas kakra meka ho. Na de kas de ka ho mehu.
Ana se scan ho atumi busu epanyi.
Oh, minjin disa. Ana mbusu na different.
When you say busu epanyi de otimu ya dwuna ya busu epanyi.
Na say wota sha wegi bebrebe ebe den hu say dwuna ba.
Etu ya busu epanyi ana busu epanyi ho.
Me dwune ni mai.
Say cash or what's a cash?
The yanto so.
Onua FM 95.1.
Movie industry moves the same.
Me trust in acho.
Yeah, it's been a while. I am who
so. Come to think of it, no, I don't even know say the mutie biom.
I don't when you're interested biom.
Oh, any interest no. Me so beside me say me.
It's saying yeah.
The fact of omo frame me, I'm say my pa ho. Obi am frame. Some of Filia bro.
Anyone I won't show interest because on pa ho.
Filia me a footballer. Na se coach in frame me. Me hear dan ko bobo. Obi am hu nim say so me bobo.
Okay.
But the boy you to me na so me twa total sa na ma dribble. Oh me ya de. Ana me ya de.
Oh ya de.
O ma me kura be di ho dance. Nti na say me ko pa mo cho wan. Me ni be bi o mo kura na ma problem pa mo cho. O pa mo cho so na as a fee ni be ko form.
Okay.
Nti me mpa obecho. So na be a fee ni be ko so.
Onua FM 95.1.
Nti producer straight na frɛ o.
Mo frɛ me.
But I'm frɛ what dey anka obeko.
Oh me ba. Another producer ana.
Metro movie nyesi sia dey mamusa metro cash ba.
Oh.
Enu se na say o ka say esa na bo na koso nti me boa me ho.
And I mean everybody who calls me not say script ni okay, na say role ni okay, na bibia you okay, na logistics ni okay, na bibia dadia. Aden, remember.
Okay. Na so we say storyline no you love it. Na character no betumi do ho ahyemu yi a. Because they say the sugar daddy role. Sugar daddy. She say the sugar daddy.
Me say sugar daddy ma.
Yeah, gray hair no.
So metumi die no kakra.
They be so bad.
But sugar daddy is very fine.
Young
girls never na me ho sa.
Now who spread this kagu ya so nya de.
Won ka ho bi o.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yes, I was all the musa de no musa.
O ba kwa de ma be yi bi o. Movie no you do share mo kwa de ka me pe movie bi.
It's like that. Anytime I'm we'll be on frame, you know. That's why you don't see me.
Okay, but when you're interested in so our show movie near the answer no dey.
Me not ready to produce yet or be an executive producer or writer yet. And no about creativity I thought you need to think well, think deep. And maybe I yes we need to do you person be bibia be kola dia. Ya ne ya jiska.
Okay.
And you need to take your time, write a good story, find investors, find funds before you can just do it. But I'm not ready now, at least not this year.
For movies.
To
produce.
to produce my no, not this year.
I say BBI ready.
So to Wednesday BBI ready, you need to plan
95.1.
well. So who and yes, I feel now could do me the cash nasa nafi, meant our canafi.
Yet, and I'm social media near board did it. I say yes now working in no. But why you must so patch and sir? Exactly what I say, pa. Internet say you are say aside movie where they aside say while the movie not touching, oh yeah, the ankasa.
Oh, me any skawum.
Yes, go.
Yeah, you man. No, I work to get money. I mean, I don't sleep.
Okay.
Wake up. Don't sleep.
But I your money.
I work. I find means of. I survive. I make sure I take care of my family and stuff like that. So, yeah.
Onua FM 95.1.
Beautiful. Being a father, do you think it's difficult? Being a father.
It comes with its challenges. It's not difficult per se, but it's the challenges whereby you need to make sure your children grow up to be responsible people. That's it. Challenging because one will be something. When I remember when I was younger, I was like, it's better than I'm a woba. Now I don't know why the boy believed me and I said obey me. I was wondering
I didn't know who's only serious.
No, but I was not grown, matured yet. So I was thinking, they're better now. Or respecting me. And I said,
but no, I saw the and I also saw the.
Me saw na me hobby.
Them so me say me saw saw the me saw the.
Yeah, me saw that video. No, I was okay. I was not. My parents so genuine. Not mean to me young person.
Onua FM 95.1.
But I mean, with time you realize that naturally when you give birth. And it's from your loins, and the son or your daughter believes that papa ni or from daddy and now. And so sometimes it's nice. Right now my son is taller than me, and I'm like,
to see
it's lovely. It's not that challenging. It's okay.
Do you think the Mother's Day in your attention, Father's Day in here the same attention?
There be.
I didn't hear.
Mother. Father.
There was a Mother's Day be draw. You said that extra Mother's Day no.
I said mothers no. One no mukuru akorano for 9 months. Papa no yeah. I no mugusunsu keke. Nti I am entiase say mamene dia. Bra wa bre. Fia wa fi.
Onua FM 95.1.
Agwa ogusu bra nti say ogusu kro na ogusu ntino. It's allowed. Some things I just like the way it is. It's Mother's Day, grandeur. Amunye bibia mom, papa no. Nah, I say Valentine's Day. I guess not to boxer shorts and my boys. Yes, I'm here. It's the same thing. It's since Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. No. So na moon share and say mom,
I graduate.
It's normal.
Until the share Valentine's Day singlet.
New boxers yeah. So yeah, yen toy car cram yanka mo beji Valentine's Day. And say Easter cram moji.
Eno die.
Moji Easter.
Yeah.
Adamra mku Yesu.
There be say Mary mama, Yesu mama ne Mary ntino.
Oh.
Yeah, Mary I said yeah.
That's all right.
Epi fu krenya ebeji epi fu.
Onua FM 95.1.
Childhood memory be now. Holding on to till now.
Childhood.
Golden, yeah.
Do I have memories as a child? I remember a data no cry wipe you.
Hey, I don't know lovely Anna.
Oh, say Ekow dessert faulting. What do I even remember? Childhood. Minkayo.
Okay, even with Onua.
I have a bad memory, eh? I don't think I remember. I think I only enjoy the fact that I was the baby last.
Oh, I don't pay.
Yeah, I mean, I was pampered from we are 4, so all the 3 will pamper me, and the parents too will pamper me, and I think my mom, may her soul rest in peace. I shared the same birthday with her too, so Mama chimi yam de kakra nti woni mi a o ya na
Onua FM 95.1.
Yeah, how the anymore.
Muni mi say den.
Yeah, who TV so. TV says, Bray, your last born and Okasa won't Bray Okasa.
Because want it.
How come of fire? So first, so come of fire night. Bray.
Brofo na want and I said then.
Oh, never fundament.
Na there said I'm baby no want it, Philly.
Say, won't be on house, Okasa 3 years, the way you move, you and even else more. I say, until the brand castle back castle on can. Send I last born. Not to no one to do rest in him.
Last ball for Munya Sini.
Say no to me, then the answer now be fair. But I'm fair.
Let me teach you.
No, it is any.
I can't be ferrying and I'm a teacher. I was my trained
teacher. Teacher last one, the other and I know mambre.
La ila la. What's it?
No, it is any.
Yeah, I've taught for
Onua FM 95.1.
And the time of person in track caning.
David, I do caning assembly. I mean, I'm calling choose me.
I did, yeah.
No, because I will make you laugh, but I'll ship you.
Okay. What crock on back?
Yeah, me sure now. Yeah, me and my back crock.
Oh.
So they will like it.
Okay.
And yeah, so there's a reason for your being shipping the name here, pal. And the girls who say, don't hold my dress, don't hold it. I won't hold it. To me, the can't forward to say, you from an engineer. Or when I say, you hold me. When oh, the shit never ship.
It's we introduce Kenny number system.
Nam fan komen kasa and na fa ko headline.
Yeah, for headline.
Na benefits say man kwara ni na omunye. Me nye decision maker. Send ya bo me a ya bo yan omudidi e chini na mo nyini ya bo yan pa ya straight ya discipline people no. Na ye nyini no. Na ye be ma sa tradition na koso na mo say there. Don't touch a child. No only touch am no mo say.
Recently won say teacher bi abo akra bi na wo free mu.
Wala obo no say the dey na bo no.
Aba no.
Or the board trying to back one of freedom and I call be an anya. You shouldn't don't judge cases just like that. Maybe now there's a problem. Now if you're a teacher and you're also caning to and you say you are a teacher, you should know the children. Some of them are really stubborn head. Some of them are like male goats. Stubborn or punching men or we are the dang or stubborn. And you know, so people like that you go on extensive measure in discipline them. But the Bible said that you should not abandon this apakola no any Bible na kind. So what kind of version? And you know, if the God said we should discipline the child, why we say we shouldn't?
Onua FM 95.1.
Okay, allow beating na and I say be a cranny free man can say normal, but we say my nyana wakoye. Into be a baby who so in a also never.
I said they said there's some must my members there encouraged. Discipline them with a
so. Remember, such an evil me will be a Mr. Promise man to bow the moment when I did, and then I would never be that.
No, me and I said,
Miss was my treasure or bomb papa. There be man one marking ye. One marking ye. I don't know what marking ye. But which one in Miss Adamson Commando.
And now near zero.
No, or circle me, you just engineer thing. And our bomb so be a phobia, or boom machine in Abia be animal soon.
Maybe I now want to question us. You know, there should be reasons for caning or shipping.
Exactly, meaning for
why exams now when you should rather be finding out why is that so. No, I don't think you should be caning somebody. Say, but in our time they were doing even mental. One time 17 times 0. Now I got 17. It was, I think it was the era. It was the times and seasons. You know,
but a crowd, but a crowd saw no. And it determine the kind of person you are.
Yeah, some of them are a bit aggressive with it. But like I said, if you go to where I taught, they will tell you that, Mr. Asante, Mr. Asante, you're a nice person. Because who's so I make crow, so the next day, you don't tend to hate me, you tend to like me rather. And that's all I wanted.
No, be also, I want to say, permissive thing, what me.
That's right.
But whereby I will buy a companion, you said they do good sauce. You now, Bomia.
Where then I know.
So, teacher, you know, or the party as soon as or not to be brave, sending into
95.1.
Into from teaching to acting, the men are co-rem because she there for 5 years. Okay, audition and answer more than I'm afraid.
No, I think Bank audition. I think I joined what do you call it, a drama group. Those times in our era we had these drama theater groups which I joined, and so I was teaching and I was going for rehearsals every day and that and that. But I think one day I just woke up and I said to myself that me share teacher salary now. 30 days I get you. Me to me even voice over and I said commercial it will be. It gets me like ×3. And voiceover is just minutes of the day or 1 hour or 2 hours. Me to me ×3 of my salary. So I thought, what was I doing? Because my talent is
Onua FM 95.1.
So why am I going to do something which is I'm going to struggle and always there be an outie. I felt like, let me just turn to acting. So one day I just woke up and said, I'm done. Yeah, I just finished one calendar term or something, and I just said I'm done.
Oh, and
that's where I am now.
Next at the channel of me teachers for now because
oh, but I think those in the I'm thinking those in the private sectors are doing well.
Private to someone to Zori
private because school fees now because normal school now so private school now the school fees is like ×3 what you're paying. That means the teachers should be benefiting. Headmaster and I just
I've worked in a private school before and yes sanity. Salary so but teachers said deserve no.
Okay.
So what I say? Because I think so Nogia or the young school the buses and the canteen in what do you think? She said, "I'm going to chocolate cry the more crank again. Chocolate cry the way to be a trim. My kind of the evidence way." She said,
oh, I see. But it's a lovely job. I mean,
it is. Let's like a trend
yeah, and then I had my passion too also drove me away from it. I had a passion for acting. So why not spend time with it? And I did, and it paid off.
Next, so you won't regret the decision.
No. Anytime I'll do it again.
Then I'm out petition first, our day now.
In fact, come to think of it, I thought in Afenia, one of the benefits of a teacher, Afenia no mudia tomatoes. So all you need to say when the tomatoes come, everybody wants to because Nkolanu nyina bebre na wo fu wo parents of and then Friday morning so go feel Saturday na so those who want to be nice or those who want to be have tomatoes back kopemra. One tomato. Somebody will bring like also tomatoes. I made it quiet. Also said my mother says I should bring because I can't even carry it from Afenia to my house in Accra or something. So sometimes you're like, these people, and then they love you, they like you. And those times too, I think I started doing Thursday theater. So after Thursday when I go to school on Friday, I am superhero. That kind of thing. Now me come few weekends so tomato means yeah. Until about I'm okay put in the staff room now teachers in yeah, because they were lovely,
generous.
Yeah, very, very, very.
Who believe you say our day drama for no one teachers na dey.
What's it? Teachers my point teachers are there said the intra.
Say am akwan wa hwe oba ne san wa kire oba na de ne ade.
What's your school fees?
School fees they school there.
Now there be
showing appreciation say say Ekow energy samna ne toilet room. Mo madam for mo sunche toilet room kama kai toilet room san ti mi ko fi mi nidi. Nesem ko jam na san o mo tumi che toilet room.
This can dem pancho.
Oh, say drink ni biscuit bi.
No, ni what the biscuit go there no drink.
Na they were doing to me nidi. Me jam na san. I
think out of if you are exceptionally good to them and they realize that, and children are very honest.
Yes.
Jokers, as for Madam Felicia, she's very good. Mommy, I want something to go. I say, well, she's good. The bed Johnson I call and make a very nice care picanto grammar.
No credit. I can't call count has and Papa will fear.
Now when you're so there, sorry.
Yeah, ma.
It's like that.
Highest paid movie, movie bang.
Highest paid movie.
Yeah.
Highest paid movie. Do I even remember? I don't remember the last movie I did, which was definitely not the highest paid movie anyway. I don't remember. To be honest, I don't remember. I don't know where. I don't. Sorry, I don't.
You don't remember?
I don't remember.
When in Nigeria is near moving on.
I think it could be. Yeah, that reminds me. It could be those a couple of Nigerian trips. Those ones were very highly paid those days. I don't know whether they are still paying that well, but they paid more than they were paying in that country.
A chain bedtimes.
Now someone say your fro say football match or baby. I don't say.
Skawum.
No, yeah.
Skawum.
Especially not Skawum man can more for playing about.
David.
And to try playing fair, they are not saying what's now. And I think they were paying in dollars. I remember because they can't pay us in naira those times because I'm not a Nigerian. Why are you giving me naira? But those ones were a bit on the higher.
I get it. Into one connect to Nigerians, no.
I think my first Nigerian trip was Salam Venus Films because we had done a movie of Venus Films and he wanted to sell it in Nigeria. So there were additional scenes that I was supposed to go and do for the movie, and I think I did with Stella Damasos. And then was Salam.
Into moving they do two kind first.
No. I went to Mude personal. I've traveled.
Now call baby dada.
Of course. Yeah. Nigeria say Nigeria say here. And I'm saying I went to.
What two kind?
Nigeria. Togo krawa ko bi.
So what I say.
Okay. Kumasi krawa ko.
Kumasi krawa two kind. Into Nigeria the next one could be papa.
It's all right.
Oh, your time ne movie or much na difference room. Back then stories na much in the current movies, you know.
Yes. I think so. The someone say then we write stories to reflect our life. So if we were like those times, they were writing a lot of stories about witchcraft those days. Not that witchcraft is gone, but there are other things more meaningful people can write about. So yeah, stories are changing and they are bringing more fiction and more idealism in it. So yes, things are changing and I think it's for the better.
It's for the better. Yeah. Improvement have been brave.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So Chewa part 1, 2, 3, 200 now. There are more better things to write about instead of writing about those other aspects. And there are other things you can also write about which would bring more development to the country and the person watching it.
Pano being your foot to my free mood abon bra.
Yes.
Then I'm out free Ghana every located. Then I'm out relocated from
a seminar besides a direct power. Family business. When you marry, are you married?
Not yet.
What are you waiting for?
Me share applications and maybe I'm so I'm able
to. I will see you more. I bones a week made never make just send. Phyllis, I don't know FM for cry. The way the boys no nonsense ninja. What the mamma be a shop amount. Can happen. Marriage is, they say, and the two shall be one. Sometimes you decide to do things for the family first, and then the work can come later. Sometimes, and to know, my wife is in London, and so I had to relocate, and so that I can enjoy my wife better.
Okay.
That's more like it.
Next, I worry to miss the sound.
Yeah.
Now maybe say, if I say me here radio, now my question maybe, or say me too show Pam Benny Jump say me worry. Me worry wa be jai radio no.
I don't know. Or the sudden by and worry no. Because radio so na when radio so na ogina ya wo be obenya wo. Sanka out on makola wo makola ka wo hu. And I say wo bank bi asanka wo hu. You know, I don't say so be worry that you should also be man be share so say ja Adwuma na me worry. That's not like it. Every man should give Obabia the right to excel in her field. So the talent in radio, and she excels. So you should be proud. And to know where I know we're doing quite much that you need to know FM. So that's my wife talking. You know, that kind of thing.
Quite proud.
Yeah. You know, especially if someone say, "What worry now? We're soldier for paying lieutenant can be now, but sending uniform not rank now or just salute us." That's my wife. There's some pride in it, So I don't think we should, subject women to like person married and now
Okay. Don't change for anybody.
And because we just TikTok, I'm sure now me feel you pa say my worry and come the proposal and buy, but now it's too late. I don't know. I don't know to make kasa.
Maybe I can high on 95.1 FM. Adwuma Sunie. Many Ekow Smith Asante and everyone come on pay. Come on, I had the palm. Say, yeah, we shall baby. And to enjoy the most of this interview, what you say. In this one, we are the. Oh, by now, so when you're 10 minutes, I brought 10 minutes.
And the man and by and but as a more lock upon. And but me to me for police for no. I said, hello, I'm locking me. How locking me? Mr. Benjamin.
Uncle Ekow, it's been a wonderful interview. Thank you so much.
But on TikTok, and I say, what activities Onua for some Ghana.
Debbie Minjai.
I said, the only guy been there, not the Ghana. Of course, we see now, 20 on there. I don't know about overshadow members.
Them say me chire margin.
Of course, I said me who are questioning them in the casa. I'm so I now. I we are controlling the. Until I find I said, when Asante was Asante, oh, they say, but make good social when me show up, baby, I'm mobile. Until I name but you say better picture.
But you picture.
Nam da ko bomb them.
A child over landing for final words.
Landing for Munya Adwuma yeba. Final words, final words I can say. Na muti en sa me church obi a me do bi ase me fans me non fans the fans no more me ceiling fan no more so standing fan nyam dem ase mungu sum patronize na mun da munyini na mbe air condition na mumbwa na mumbompa mai na mususun entan ni but mfampa bonkan won ya kwen yesu nyame de ban ya no
shout for new movie and I say next thing.
Some best stage kakra you into say no. And so next one should be a movie na me no be no.
And dey be no.
And then we be try next year.
Pacho you yeah share ni mu.
This is Adwuma Adwuma. More fire. Black Rasta says so. A surely for. Baby,